Welcome back to another vlogmas video. I don't know if you can tell, but I've taken a turn for the worst. I've caught this horrible bug that's been going around everywhere. Everyone seems to have it, and it's literally like a cough. I feel like it could be a touch of COVID. It is like the worst cough that I've ever had. My chest has been like burning. I've had sneezing, you know, and it's just like everything all at once. I was really unwell for the past couple of days. And I just thought, let me start this vlog now. It's like the evening. This is the first day that I've actually started to feel okay in the past little while. We just had chili for dinner. Matt just made me a really nice chili because I was kind of craving it. And it's really weird because I never have chili. If my mum watches this, she'll be like, she's always tried to get me to eat chili and I never want it. But I don't know, I was just kind of craving it today. I'm just trying to upload my vlog from the other day that is not uploading. I can't get my hard drive to connect. Anyway, I'm making myself a cup of tea and Matt got me a pudding, which I'm still to see. I'm gonna actually check in the fridge because he said that he got me one. Exciting times. Let me just flip the camera. I love seeing it in other people's fridges. Does anyone else feel like that? Also, this is embarrassing. That needs to go in the bin urgently. This is these are my favorite goo puddings. I also like the key lime pies, but the lemon ones are delish. Me and Matt are so different. He loves this is like 2 puddings for each of us because I would never have one of these and he would never pick the Spanish cheesecake thing. He doesn't want his right now, so I'm just gonna have my goo pudding. Oh. And I'm just making myself a cup of tea. He is watching football at the minute and I'm about to start watching Bad Sisters. Let me know if any of you guys have watched it. My sister is raving about it to me on FaceTime tonight and she was like, you must watch it. She said it's the best thing she's ever watched, which is a very big recommendation actually. I'm now like, it's the best thing you've ever watched, okay? So yeah, let's see how it is. I'm gonna put that on and curl up on the sofa. I just have a really cozy evening. We were supposed to be at Kew Gardens tonight for our annual Christmas trip that we go on every year to the light show, me and Matt. It's like our little family tradition, our family being me and him. But we couldn't go because I was just too ill. We actually went to see Hamilton last night in the theatre, which was amazing. That was with my brother and our friends Ross and Hope. That was really nice, but I just felt the whole time like I was holding in a cough. And like trying to time my coughs. It was very stressful in the moment, but the show was really good. I absolutely love Hamilton. That was the second time I've actually seen it. And we try and have a little, can you tell that I'm trying to hold in a cough right now? We try and do an annual tradition I'm trying to make it an annual tradition where us 5 go for a little theatre trip. We did one last year. We went to see Les Mis last year and it started my love of musical theatre. I never used to think I was a musical person and I went to see Les Mis at the theatre last year. We all went and then we went for a nice meal and oh my god, it was incredible. So we did that last year. I want to watch Les Mis this Christmas as well because I love it. And yeah, so we went to see Hamilton this year, which was really good. But to be honest, like Christmas time, I feel like I get ill every single year. Last year, oh my god, last year was so bad. So this was the first ever year that I've not spent Christmas with my family last year. And I went to Matt's mum's and we had a really nice like Christmas there, but I was so struck down with a sickness bug and it was awful. Like it struck me, I'm so dramatic. It struck me when we were on the train heading down and we'd just woken up quite early in the morning to catch this train. It was on the 23rd of December. I remember it all so vividly. It was the 23rd. We got on the train really early and you know when you have a coffee on an empty stomach and you kind of like, I feel a little bit sick. Like it was kind of making me feel a bit queasy. I'm also quite motion sick and a little bit dramatic sometimes and I had to like run to be sick on the toilet I had to run and be sick in the toilet on the train. And that kind of set me off. I was kind of like, that was a bit weird. Like I've not had that in a while, but I thought maybe it's just a bit of motion sickness and then a little bit of, like coffee on an empty stomach. But no, that was the start of it. And then over the course of the next like 3-4 days, all through Christmas Day, I don't think I was actually as bad. I think I was sick like once on Christmas Day, but Christmas Eve we had a nice meal planned, and to be fair, it was such a lovely time and it was so cozy. And on Christmas Day we went for a nice walk, which I think really helped because it gave me a lot of fresh air. We had a little drink in a pub and that was quite nice, but honestly, I'm just so ill. It's just awful. I don't know what happens, although this is like a one-off, I'm sure. But yeah, my annual sickness event of the year. But I feel like I'm coming out the other side of it now, hopefully. I'm just opening my goo pudding. Let me just show you. I don't think it normally has crumble on top. That looks good. And we've run out of teaspoons, so I'm going in with a big spoon today. And I've got my little cup of tea here. So let's go and watch Bad Sisters together. I'll give you my full review. I haven't picked up the vlogging camera for a couple of days because I have been dreadfully ill. I think last time I spoke to you was in the evening. We are just heading out into town to... I've got fake tan all over my face. If you can tell, I had a bit of it dripped down my face, so that is not much of a look, but you can't really see it as much in real life, I hope. Yeah, sorry, as I was saying, I haven't vlogged a little bit because I've been really struggling with this cold and flu. I think it actually is flu or like something mental, I don't know. It's all over the other app. Everyone's talking about how they're dreadfully ill, so we're venturing out this morning. I've been literally at home for like the past 4 days. I've been, yeah, really struggling. But I think I'm on the mend. Matt went out this morning and picked us up some Gail's coffee and pastries, and we lay in bed and watched a movie. What was our movie called?
Something in the Water.
Something in the Water. It was... I feel like Netflix are just making a lot of these films these days that are like obviously quick and easy for them to make, that have got a few like high pressure moments, and it was a bit shit, to be honest. I didn't love it. So yeah, anyway, we did that this morning, and now we just quickly shoved on some clothes and we're going to try and head out for a walk because I need to get outside. I can already feel myself like heating up. I think it's because my coat's really warm. But I thought I'll just take you with us. Yeah, this vlog's going to be a mishmash of a few days, but anyway, let's go. Let's get outside. It's Saturday, by the way. We're excited to... Oh my god, daylight for the first time. Oh. We're just out in the park. We're getting some fresh air. I've had a few coughing fits. Huh?
It's nice to be outside.
It is nice to be outside. We're loving it. And we feel very fresh. My chesty cough is relieving and it's going good.
Yeah, we got beach volleyball in there.
Which way? Here?
Yeah.
It's so nice to be outside. We're going to stop off in town. I think I want a coffee.
Yeah.
And I think Matt wants a beer somewhere, so... Nice, happy Saturday. And then I go to Scotland tomorrow, so I'm excited. I'm finally feeling better. We've got lots of washing to do today, so get excited for that. Someone just dropped their bag of seeds, and all they're swans. Oh no, they're not swans. They're geese. Honey, they're geese. They're not swans.
Wow, look at some.
Oh, and all these
diving in.
Oh. Someone just dropped this whole bag and now they're all coming. Wait, that's quite a scary sight, all of them coming. Look at this big one.
Oh right.
Wait, I'm actually quite scared.
That one's hissing. Oh god, I don't know that orange one. Alright. Stop it. What the fuck? What, that orange one was like going...
It's not orange, is it? It's just got orange feet.
Beak. Oh my god, that was like coming over.
Cute. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Should we just share?
Yeah. I need to get rid of my chewing gum. Quite hot.
I'm back from our day out, which was lovely. We actually went for a walk in the park. I'm trying to put something in my hair right now and it's not working. We went for a lovely little walk in the park, then up into town to get some bits. I actually ended up buying a suitcase from TK Maxx because I go back to Scotland tomorrow. My hair is looking insane, but whatever. Yeah, we go back to Scotland tomorrow and I needed something to pack all my stuff in. We just got home and it's like 3 o'clock and we did a whole M&S food shopping, got stuff for dinner and stuff, but I'm now prioritising a bubble bath because I just feel like after being outside in the cold air, my throat is now like a bit seized up. So I put in some of my Champneys Health Spa Bubble Heaven Calm Scent bubble bath. It's looking gorgeous. Brought down my Clarins body milk to give myself a nice moisturise when I come out the bath. I'm also going to shave when I'm in there. And I'm also going to put on some of this Kiehl's mask just now before I go in. The bubbles are bubbling and it's looking so good. It was so busy today with everyone getting ready for Christmas shopping. I think I'm pretty much ready. Matt and I are just doing a few small gifts to each other this year because we've obviously had a lot going on. We had that night away to the Ned, and we've also moved house, so we've run out of money. No, not because of that, but like that kind of comes into it as well. We don't want to spend too much because we've had a very expensive year. But we were just saying to each other in the park, like, we've got so much to celebrate this year. I feel like we've like bought a house. It's such a huge thing, and I'm really proud of us. We've kind of been able to furnish it. I think we've made all the right decisions when it's come to like furniture and stuff. Some of those are out of my hands though. Like, I'm really glad that the first bed that we ordered got sent back because it didn't fit. And in hindsight now, I'm just like so happy with how our bedroom's looking, and yeah, I feel really proud of us. I'm so looking forward to next year and like properly settling into our new home. So it's very exciting. What else did we do in town? I'm trying to think. Went into a few different shops. I tried on a dress in mint velvet that was giving Vampire's Wife. It was so nice, but it was £130 and I couldn't really justify it because I don't really have many more festive occasions to wear it to. It was silver. It was like so nice, but no, I didn't get it. Oh, we also picked up some carrot cake and some bread. The sink just started bubbling and it making crazy noises. Yeah, we picked up some nice carrot cake and some brownie. No, not brownie. What did Matt get? An Oreo cheesecake from the market. And then yeah, we got some momos as well, which were really good. These little dumplings that are like, they came with like chili oil and some sauce on them. So we had them. And yeah, we've been out for hours. I am now going to let this sink in for a little bit and then I'm going to get into my bubble bath. Let me just show you how the bath is looking. Wow, it's actually looking so good. The bath is bubbling. Okay, I actually think this is probably about ready, so I'm going to get in now. I will see you guys in about an hour. I'm now on the sofa. I have a slice of toast for my lunch, which is delicious. It's like 4 o'clock, it's not even lunchtime. Matt's watching the football through there. Sorry, I'm about to cough. I also have washing hanging up behind me because Matt's having his dad to come and stay tomorrow night when I'm in Scotland. I'm going up a day early and I needed to just like, well, we needed to just like wash bed covers and stuff like that. So that's what that is. And then I've also got loads of washing on. And I thought I would just quickly tell you, we watched last night on Netflix the new movie out that's called Carry On, which is basically like this guy is trying to do something bad and take this carry-on suitcase onto a plane, and it's about the main guy. Do you remember the guy from Kingsman, Eggsy, whoever he is, that actor? Oh, and he's also in One Day. Wait, was he in One Day? He was in something. He's quite famous. He's like working on Border Patrol, and it's a bit of a thriller of like, will this case get on the plane? And like, it's very interesting. But it's just like not well done. I feel like they could have used that storyline and like maybe it's a bit of a thriller and it's quite good at the start, but then it gets a little bit far-fetched basically. But I feel like they could have taken that storyline and done it like it really well, but they kind of like half-assed it. It was a bit rubbish, to be honest. I wouldn't really recommend. Well, again, it's like an easy watching over Christmas, so maybe. One thing I would recommend though, and I always recommend, I can't remember when the last time I actually spoke about this was, but 24 Hours in Police Custody. We are always impressed by that show. There's new episodes on Channel 4 at the minute. There's 3 episodes. that are like brand new. One of the first two were like, they were good, but they were like not that good. The most recent one was really interesting, and I mean they're always shocking because, you know, people die or like whatever. It's like the people who are being caught and their time in custody. But yeah, the most recent one was quite interesting. Really sad, horrible story, but interesting. So if you're looking for something to watch, there's new episodes of that out. Also so excited for Traitors to start on the 1st of January. Literally can't wait. And I can't wait for this cold to be gone. This cold and flu is killing me. I had big plans to be super productive when we got back, and like after my bath I was like, I'm gonna pack, I'm gonna do like loads of washing and stuff. I have put washing on, but like the house is not clean and I'm just tired, so I'm just taking a little rest. I'm gonna watch something easy to watch on Netflix or Hey You. I've been watching Bad Sisters as well. I'm really enjoying it. I feel like it's really, really good watching. I love Sharon Horgan. And the lady who was in Shameless as well. I can't remember what her name is, but she was married to James McAvoy. Can never say his surname. But yeah, pretty good. I'm going to eat my toast now and enjoy the rest of my Saturday. I am going to end this vlog here actually because I need to chill, and then I need to upload this video, and then I need to get packed for tomorrow. So next time you'll see me, I will be on my way to Scotland. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you for another one tomorrow. Bye.